In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail stars to better email organization. Whether you're drowning in a sea of emails or simply looking for a way to streamline your inbox, Gmail stars offer a straightforward yet effective method to keep everything in order. Now, let's dive into the process. First off, open up your Gmail account and direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. This is your gateway to customizing your Gmail settings. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select See All Settings, which will take you to a new page filled with a variety of customization options. Once you're in the settings, look for the General tab. Here, you'll see a feature labeled Stars. This is the heart of today's tutorial. Gmail allows you to choose multiple star options to help categorize your emails beyond the traditional starred and unstarred system. You should see a few star icons there by default. To expand your organization toolkit, you can drag and drop additional star options from the Not in Use section to the In Use section. Setting up an array of stars allows you to approach your inbox with a bit more nuance. Think about what categories you might need. Would it be helpful to have stars for urgent emails, follow-up later tasks, or items to review? By having different colored stars and icons at your disposal, you can tailor the system to fit your workflow seamlessly. After you've customized the stars to your liking, don't forget to scroll down and save your changes. This ensures that your new system is ready to go and prevents you from having to redo your setup. Now, with your new star system in place, return to your inbox. You'll want to start using these stars to sort through your existing emails. As you're reviewing your messages, consider how each star might apply. For instance, if you have an email which requires immediate attention, you might assign it a red star. If there's something you want to leisurely review later, perhaps a blue star is more appropriate. Keep in mind that you're not limited to just starring your incoming emails. Whenever you're sending an email to someone else, you can apply a star right away. This will help you easily find that sent email when it's time to follow up or review. The beauty of this system is its flexibility. A good rule of thumb is to regularly review your starred emails. Decide if any of them need to be archived, unstarred, or recategorized as situations evolve. This periodic check-in will help maintain your inbox's organization and efficiency. In conclusion, by utilizing Gmail stars, you can significantly improve your email organization. It's a subtle yet powerful tool within the Gmail ecosystem. Experiment with it to find a method that best suits your workflow and enhances your productivity. Happy organizing!